Hello everyone, I'm Devyani and today's topic is smoke testing versus sanity testing. So we are going to understand by taking a real-time example what is difference between smoke testing and sanity testing. When we should do smoke testing and when we should do sanity testing. So let's check with our example how we can do this both type of testings on the application. So let's suppose we are starting some project from a scratch. Initially we have some unstable builds, then we have progressed towards getting stable builds like build 20, 21, 22. We have a relatively stable build here. So in both of these cases, when we should do smoke testing and when we should do sanity testing. So like we have shown in the example, when we have initially unstable builds in our project, or if we are building some application from a scratch, some functionality from a scratch, if that particular functionality is unstable, we will verify critical functionality of the application to make sure that the given application is testable. It will help QA to save their time. So what all things we will check in smoke testing specifically? We will check a critical functionality of the application, like application starts, UI is not disturbed, then application doesn't crashes. These all test cases would be documented. All of these test cases will be a subset of your regression test cases. Whereas in sanity testing, we will verify new functionality of the application, we will verify bug fixes in the application, and we have to understand this build is relatively stable build. After doing your smoke testing, if smoke testing passes, it shows that the application is testable, then only your sanity testing would begin. In this particular sanity testing, we will not do testing in depth. We will only check basic functions. So let's take example. If I'm building login, logout, I will just check basic functions of login and logout to make sure that the in-depth testing can be done. When both of these smoke testing or sanity testing, whatever we are performing, if test passes, then we can begin with our system testing and regression testing. So now the question is, who will do smoke testing and who should do sanity testing? So both developer and QAs can do smoke testing. It is just an initial step to make sure that critical functionality of the application is working as expected. This application is testable. Who will do sanity testing? Sanity testing would be done by QAs. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching.